Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove decals real quick. For detailers, get your steamer out. If you aren't a detailer, get your hair dryer out. If you're working on glass, you need a razor blade. If you're working on paint, you can use a plastic razor blade or your fingernail or anything you want. You just want to get the edge of the decal is all you want. And from there, the steamer or hair dryer will do the rest. Let me show you how easy it is to remove decals. This customer hacked and picked and flicked away at this decal and just couldn't get it off. So I'm gonna take it off in a matter of seconds. Got my steamer here all ready to go. Like I say, if you don't have a steamer, just use your hair dryer. All you wanna do is heat that up. Vinyl heats up real easy, piece of cake. If there was any residue, any sticky residue, I'd go over it with some goof off or Goo Gone, and it should clean up real easy, but there's no residue at all. This also works on paint. You can do it on paint, but don't use a razor blade, use something plastic, like a putty knife, a plastic putty knife, or a credit card, your fingernail, anything.